lemon pepper chicken club. Really?
You can't do a club sandwich without bacon. So we're going to cook up some bacon, get that nice and crisp. Now we're going to prep our chicken tenders, a little canola oil, that lemon pepper wing finish, treating it as a rub here. Rubbing that in together. Now we're going to take those chicken tenders, we're going to put them in the same pan that cooked the bacon because, of course, right? About 3 to 4 minutes aside, that's enough time to get that chicken cooked through. Now, I love having an Alabama white sauce to go with my lemon pepper chicken. That was some mayo, some horseradish, some apple cider vinegar, some lime juice. Lemon works too. Mix that all up. There's the Alabama white sauce. Let's put our club together. I'm using Ezekiel bread. I mean, it's okay to be a little healthy here and there. A little mayo, some arugula. I gotta have avocado on my club sandwiches. Love avocado on there too. We're putting that chicken on there. Next, we'll get the bacon in there. No joke, I kind of overloaded the bread. Kind of went heavy here. Went heavy. Pro tip, salt your tomatoes. I salted my tomatoes for this sandwich. I'm putting it together. Did I mention I overwhelmed the bread? Oh well.
All right, here it is, lemon pepper chicken club. This thing's already dripping, but we're going to take it to the next level with the Alabama white sauce. Oh. And here we go. When you add the Alabama white sauce, it just really further picks up the tang from the lemon pepper.